Welcome back. Today, we are jumping straight into a piece of tech that so many of you have asked about. It's the Philips Lumea Prestige, an intense pulsed light device.
That's right. And it's a huge product on the market. We're talking over 3,000 positive reviews. So there's clearly a lot of interest.
The claims are pretty bold, up to 92% hair reduction. And it has 450,000 flashes, which, they suggest could last you 15 years.
So our mission today is to really dig into that. We're not judging the product itself, but we are analyzing the marketing claims against the actual science. We want to look at the consumer transparency here.
And, of course, we have to start with our usual disclaimer. This is educational commentary. It is absolutely not medical advice.
Okay, so let's get into the mechanics. How does IPL even work?
Yeah, what's the core principle?
Well, it all comes down to melanin. That's the pigment in your hair follicle. The device flashes this intense light.
And the melanin absorbs it.
Exactly. That light energy converts into heat, and that heat is what puts the follicle into a resting phase. That's what leads to the hair reduction.
Okay, but if it targets pigment, that immediately brings up a huge limitation,
Yeah.
right? It's right there in the physics of it.
It's the fundamental barrier. The system needs enough melanin to target, so it only really works on, say, dark blonde, brown, and black hair.
So for anyone with light blonde, red, gray, or white hair,
There's just not enough pigment. The light has nothing to lock onto, so it can't generate that heat. It's not a Philips issue, It's an IPL issue. It applies to every single one of these devices.
and that same science creates another hurdle, doesn't it? Skin tone.
A critical one. The device is designed for skin types 1 through 5 on the Fitzpatrick scale.
But not skin type 6. So not for very dark brown or black skin.
Right. And the reason is safety. If your skin has a lot of melanin, the IPL can't distinguish between the pigment in your hair and the pigment in your skin.
So it would just heat up the skin, which sounds like a serious burn risk.
It is. That's why the device has a smart skin sensor built in. If it detects that the skin tone is too dark, it literally will not flash. It's a safety override.
That's actually pretty smart. It aborts before anything can go wrong.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the user experience. The data shows it can work really well for people with that ideal combo pale skin, dark hair.
It can, but when you look at forum reports and reviews, the results are all over the place. We saw people with darker blonde hair say it did almost nothing.
And even some people who had that ideal profile reported seeing zero change after months of use.
Which brings us to the commitment. This isn't a quick fix. The recommended schedule is pretty intense.
What are we talking about here?
You're looking at a treatment every 2 weeks for the first 4 sessions, so that's 8 weeks right there. After that, it's monthly maintenance, indefinitely.
And a full body session isn't fast, is it?
Not at all. It can easily take over an hour, so that initial 2-month period, you're investing a significant amount of time. And if you miss sessions, the effectiveness just plummets.
So the takeaway for you as you're thinking about this is that success is almost entirely predetermined by your biology.
It really is. The question isn't just, does the tech work? It's, will the tech work for your specific hair and skin color combination?
If your genetics line up, the results might be great. If they don't,
Then the technology, by its very nature, cannot work for you, no matter how perfectly you follow the instructions.
I think the lesson here really applies to all beauty tech.
Absolutely. That consumer transparency, the charts showing which skin tones and hair colors are compatible, that's not just fine print. It's the most important information for making a decision.
It's a strange paradox. You're buying a very high-tech device, but its success hinges on something as low-tech as your natural coloring. So always check those specifications. When physics is the limiting factor, marketing can only promise so much.